Hey guys, so I've been having a lot of Wi-Fi problems lately, and I think it's time for an upgrade. I've been using an old TP-Link router. It's a wireless, and it's this one, yeah. And I'm holding the box. The router's back there, so uh, time for an upgrade. Let's take a look at what we got, and let's take a look at this bad boy. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at what we got here. So this is a WRT1900 AC, so 1900 AC. It's a dual band gigabit Wi-Fi router, and you can get these pretty much anywhere nowadays. It's give or take $200, $300. I'm gonna link that in the description below, so feel free to take a look and where you can get it. So let's go ahead and take out the knife. Or just go ahead and peel that section off. Na 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 na. Ooh, nice. Ew. It's like free technical support. 30 years of innovation. Mondays to Fridays, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. I don't know if that's Eastern though. Anyway, so look at that box. Shiny. So open it. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, wow. Ooh. So let's take a look at that. Nice packaging right there. Cell phone there. And wow. Let's put this away. Okay, so let's take out the goods. Oh, wow, that is one beefy router. Oh, look at that. So, 4 gigabit Ethernet ports, your internet port, antenna, USB 3 port, a USB-E SATA port, of course your power jack, your reset switch, and your WPS. And power button. Okay, so what else do we got? Let's put that there. Quick start guide. What's in there? Ooh. Replacing an existing router. Ooh. There's a disk inside. Good. Okay. No, don't need that right now. Garansi terbatas. Canada, Asia Pacific. Oh, warranty terms. Okay. So, what else have I got here? You have your antennas. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 foldable antennas. Great. So let's put that here for a bit. And what else do we got down here? Oh, look at that packaging right down there. See that? So you got your standard power plug. Ew. Is this what, European? I don't need that. And oh wow, that is a heavy power brick right there. Power brick. I need that. And this is the standard cable. Oh, look, it comes with the flat ones, the standard, and the round thingy ones. We'll use this. We're using flats. And you have an RJ45. Oh, we need that. What else is down here? Let's put the phone back so that we know how to miss. Side. Okay, so taking a look at that router. She's a thing of a beauty. So let's put those antennas first. Is there like a numbering system for this? Okay. Okay. Screw that in. I don't think this belongs here. I think this belongs here. Oh, you can like twist it. Fine, fine. Something new every day. Twist. Okay. Twist it and put it up there. Here's another one. Okay. Twist it around, put it up, and at the back. Make sure it's hand tight and put it up. That is a beautiful router. Let's turn it on. Okay, so we have it plugged in. It is turned on, and I am going to be capturing this through OBS. And as you can see, it can't be reached. I don't have it in it. So let's go ahead and set this thing up. The network address is going to be 192.168.1.1, and let's go ahead. It says Linksys Smart Wi-Fi setup. Set up your router and get it connected to the internet. Blah blah blah. I have next, and I have read accepted license. Blah blah blah. Sure. Okay, and please wait. So we're gonna go through the Wi-Fi setup by default, so that it's easier and more convenient. And it's taking a while. I got disconnected. And okay, it's loading once more and checking router, getting update information for your router, and automatic updates. I'd rather not. Updating router during the update router reboots. Okay, fine, let's do it.
A few moments later.
After a couple of years.
Meanwhile.
So while we're waiting on that one, I want to talk about why this router. So I already unplugged the old one. Let me get it. Oh. So this is the old one I have. It's a TP-Link. It is a wireless and 300 megabit router, WR840N, for 100 megabit ports, your internet port, and pretty much 2 diversity antennas that are not removable. And pretty small. We have a pretty big house, and I wanted to make sure that Wi-Fi is consistent throughout the house, so whatever for that. Just kidding. That's going to be put to use at a later project.
Eventually.
And if you're going to notice, the light on the internet is orange, and the LAN port on port number 1 is flashing. So it is already installing the updates. And I just got the internet to go back, and it's asking me to name my Wi-Fi name. So I am gonna pause the stream. Let me set this up. Okay. Next. So it's a matter of testing the Wi-Fi though. Let's check out our updating wireless settings. So it might take a while again. And as you can see, internet is orange, it disconnected, so it's processing, and it's connected again, and it should continue to the next page. Changing radio settings, so Wi-Fi router password. So the router password next. Okay, the router is set up. Things to remember. Yes, that's okay. So create your Linksys Smart Wi-Fi account. Access to your home network even if you're away from home. Apps. I will go ahead and do that right now so I can take advantage of this pretty great and amazing router.
1 hour later.
Okay, so everything's set up. The Wi-Fi router is here. I'm gonna be talking about this in a separate video, knowing more about the router, settings, and the interface inside the router itself. And pretty much we're getting a consistent connection speed of router. There you go. Ping of 2 milliseconds, and I'm currently on Converge ICT Solutions. I'm on a 75 MB plan, and there you go, 75 megabits per second. Upload, download, 76, and going up, 59, 65, 67, 69, 71, 72, 72 up, 76 down. It's pretty much what I'm paying for, so very good. And so more on the Linksys router in a separate video. If you like the video, click on the like button, subscribe, and if you have comments, put it down below. And this is my first video, so I appreciate the comments. Cheers.